Happy Sunday, my friends. Yesterday we came up here and there were like 20 dogs, and not one wanted to run with Coco. She literally would run up to them, bump them, trying to antagonize them, trying to get them to chase her. And this morning is a different story. Of course, she's taking a break. These dogs are all over it, and she is loving it. And off she goes, quenching her thirst. Man, this is the happiest morning that she's had in a long time. It's a whole park of nothing but Zoomie dogs this morning. I kid you not, yesterday she was going up, bumping, nudging, trying to antagonize every dog to get them to chase her. Now, this morning, it's nothing but running, zooming dogs. What's up? What's up, buddy? It's a beautiful morning. I cannot believe it is November 23rd. What's up, baby? What's up? Finally got your Zoomie dogs, huh? All day yesterday, you were waiting for a dog to run. Happy Sunday, people.